we made it to the Riu Ventura. We are in room 0466. I'm going to give you a room tour. This is a 2-bedroom friends and family suite. I can't wait to show you. Let's go. So right when you walk in, there is a bathroom and a shower because this room has 2 bathrooms. And when you were traveling with other people, that is key. So already I am loving the room. There's a huge entryway where you can put your luggage. They even have extra storage, but let me show you the bathroom because again, this is a brand new resort. So everything feels really fresh and new and I love it. So they have a beautiful rainfall shower, a huge shower. I mean, this is immense, and a double countertop sink, which, you know, I always love. They have the hair dryer on the wall and lots of towels. I love that the towels are not white. I always wondered why resorts do white towels. So I love that these are colored. Huge rainfall shower, and then they also have one of these that you can detach, which I love. And they have all the stuff you need here: conditioner, hair, and body wash. In the entryway is a separate toilet area. And again, there's 2 bathrooms here. So this is awesome to have because it is separate from the bedroom areas. This entryway has so much space, even all of this for your luggage. This is a corner room, so that's why I'm assuming that this area is here, and it's probably more space than a regular room. Drum roll, please. You get an in-suite bar, which not a lot of resorts are doing that now, so that's awesome to see. And the coffee maker, which is also key. And let's see what is in the mini fridge. Ooh. Beer's jumping out at me. So in the mini fridge, they have Dos Equis. They do have Pepsi products here, water, and seltzer, and it is stocked full. That's awesome. Again, this has 2 bedrooms, so let's check out the main bedroom first. And it has its own separate bathroom, so this would kind of be considered the master, I would assume. Similar setup to the other bathroom, where it has the double sinks and the rainfall shower, so it's pretty much identical. And another separate toilet area in this master bathroom. I love the natural lighting in here. Everything does feel really fresh and new because it is a new resort. So this is a king-size bed. It has a nice padded headboard and a nice TV right there on the wall. Lots of drawer space here, if you like that. More luggage space here that you can put your luggage on. People also ask me about what type of plugs they have. So they have a USB and a USB-C and a regular plug here right by the nightstand. And then they have a full closet in here. So with an iron and an ironing board. Also a safe. If you're someone who likes to use the safe, they have a safe in there. So tons of closet space as well. A little chair, which is always nice to have if you want to put on your shoes or something along those lines, or just sit in the morning. So, and I really do love, it's like that boho vibe decor. So I'm really liking the decor here as well. The best part is the view, and this view is to die for. The color of the water in the hotel zone in Cancun is my favorite. And that's why I love staying in the hotel zone, because look, this is the view. Now for bedroom number 2. And there's nothing worse when you're on vacation with your family, everyone's on top of each other. So to have 2 separate rooms are amazing. And this one has 2 beds, which is great. Again, same decor, same setup. And it also has a sofa bed. So this will pull out into a sofa bed. That. Awesome. And this room also has an amazing view and a separate little patio area, even though they connect. You just unlock it here, and then you can pull open the door, and here you are. And definitely check out the full honest review that I do of this resort that you can find in the description. And there I go into all of the details, including booking tips and what you need to know before staying here. Now, I personally loved this room. Of course, love the fact that it was 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and this is a newer resort. So the room decor, everything really reflects that. They also had daily housekeeping that was phenomenal. I would say the only downside is that it does not offer room service. So if that's really important to you and your family, that's something to consider. But I also give you tips on how to navigate that, especially if you're traveling with kids. And of course, keep following me. You can find me on TikTok and Instagram. If you have any questions, drop those in the comment section. And for any booking information, you can also find that in the description.